Alrighty, so today we're going to go through a steering angle sensor calibration on the AST quad. Not like normal quads where you can go into the toolbox, or not the toolbox. If you go into the calibrations menu, then the nav option, then you have your P gain and roll cal and dead zone calibration in there. We need to go through the AST menu in the A post to do this one. So to start off, we need to start the tractor, and within 3 seconds we need to hold the program key. So we hold it. Now we have the configuration menu. We're going to go down to the TCU and we're going to hit program. Right, now that we're down here, we need to go up and down until we find the AST menu. Then we'll hit program. So from here we see AST cal. We'll hit the program button again. Okay, now we have steer left or right. So when that is displayed, hold on 1 second. When that is displayed, we need to press the program key, but I'm going to back up so we got some more room. Now, once we hit the program key, it'll tell us to steer right, and we steer the tractor to the articulation limit, and then we're going to inch the tractor forward to make sure the steering limit has been reached. Right, so now that we have some room, we're going to put it here in forward gear. We'll hit program, and now we're going to steer all the way right while inching it forward. And once we have it all the way to the steering limit, we'll press the program key. Now cal passed. Once it says cal passed, it's going to move over to steer left. We're going to do the same thing, inch forward, steer all the way to the left, reach our articulation limit, and we're going to hit program. Make sure you're moving a little bit while you do this. Now we get cal passed again. Now we've got steer center. So when we steer center, we need to make sure that we're perfectly centered. And then once we're perfectly centered, we'll hit the program key. I like to pick something out in the distance and make sure I'm heading straight forward. I always do it while I'm moving too, so I know the tracks are perfectly aligned. Just like that, we'll hit program. Now we have two values, two numbers will be displayed. The target number, so halfway between the point is the right and left calibration. The top number is the current articulation position. Steer the tractor until the bottom two numbers are within 1 or 2 counts. So we want to go a little bit to the right with this one. Ooh, I went a little too much. We want to be within 1 or 2 counts of that top number. Just a little tish over. There we go. Then we'll hit program. Then we got cal passed. Then we'll hit program. Then we'll move to our valve cal. Then we'll hit program to get into the valve cal. That's going to say steer right. We're going to steer to the right till we have an asterisk. And then we'll hit the program key. Then we're going to steer center until we get an asterisk. We're going to hit the program key. Then we get start cal. So with start cal, we got to hit the program key right away. We got 10 seconds to hit that program key. If we don't hit it within 10 seconds, we got to do it over again. And I believe you can also be in neutral when you do this calibration. So we'll put this machine in neutral, and the calibration should still continue. And while this cal's going on, you'll see these numbers go up, and you'll feel the articulation of the machine. And that's essentially all of the calibration. Once you're done, these values will be all the way up to 100, and you'll get cal store picture to come up, and you'll hit the program key. Once you hit the program key for that cal store, your calibration will be done and your cal will be passed. Thank you.